This car is fact-checked by real Mexican patriots.
Throw me to the tortas and I'll come back full.
MR2 Spider. This one is PHP, $850,000.
What the is PHP?
Filipinos.
It's a dead programming language.
Philippine peso. 1 Philippine peso equals 0.017 United States dollar.
Like $8,000 bucks.
$14,000.
Hell no.
85000. Yeah.
No way.
It is. Wait, yeah, 8.
No, I believe you. I'm just saying that's too much
Yeah,
for
I
this
believe you. I'm just saying this
particular
guy's
car.
crazy. Not even an American can afford this. He's not going to sell it in the Philippines. Pacquiao was like 80% of their GDP.
Damn.
Change color from yellow to blue. It also has Arc-Side seats in there. 14,000 is a crazy ask. You're out your mind. I don't care what country you're in. Vukos, are any of these working as a replacement for the 4Runner for you?
I don't need a replacement, dog. But keep going, though.
We should have looked up two-door Explorers.
Ooh, two-door Explorer.
Damn, look at that one in
Yo,
Leon.
yeah. Let me see that.
That one in Kerrville's nice too.
Yep, that Kerrville one. That's the same color that Ranger that I had.
And then this one in Mustang, Oklahoma. That white one, top right.
Ooh, yeah.
Damn, these are cheap as
Yeah, dude, nobody has love for these.
They'll run forever.
or any of the manuals.
It's a pretty decent likelihood, honestly.
Yeah, some of them might be, yeah. The two-door ones had a
The
higher
only
chance.
reason I changed from the 4Runner, because it's perfectly fine and nothing's wrong with it, is like for a manual. That'd be cool.
Here's that first one in Leander, Texas.
Springs are absolutely gone.
This looks sick.
Cheap parts, Rock Auto, $30 a corner.
Yeah.
This 1998 Ford Explorer, affectionately Marnie, 4-liter V6 single overhead cam. Is it a 4x4? That's kind of the big question here. I'm gonna guess no.
No, I don't think so.
Wait.
Jesus.
No, the knob would be on the...
It'd be here.
The knob would be above. Yep, it would be up there.
Yeah, these are like almost the same as the Ranger interior, or they're exactly the same,
Yeah.
maybe.
Yes,
Do they have like
they
a
are.
stick for 4x4 function or like a thing?
No, it's automatic.
That had
knob.
a rotary knob.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
These actually, this one has the rare finger box option
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, you
from
could.
the factory.
Yep.
That's like really rare.
Is that
I actually have a finger box sitting on
You
my
still
desk
have
right
a
now.
finger box?
Bro, I
Really?
just bought this finger box on eBay. This is an authentic 90s JDM digital finger box. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these.
I have
Ew.
not.
Hell yeah.
you finger in it?
I'm fingering it right here. Here on YouTube, you can hear the finger.
How many people put their wiener in that?
Oh, dude, there's probably been a Japanese guy sticking this. It did come from Japan.
The wiener box.
Analog finger boxes are always better though.
You know, you say that until you try a digital one.
You are now breathing manually. Like, subscribe, and hype to help this channel grow. Thank you.
Anyway, this one's two-wheel drive. We gotta move on. Sorry.
Oh, you know what? I wonder if there are any Mountaineers left, because Mountaineers were cool too. They had V8s.
Or a Mazda Navajo.
Nah, these suck. I don't want these, dude.
You don't like these. Should I start putting 4x4 in this? Maybe that would help find what we're actually
No,
looking for?
well, if the Mountaineer had a V8, it had all-wheel drive.
No, I want two-door with a stick.
Oh, it's
Hey,
Playing my
it's
fucking
doing the
song.
sound.
Playing my song, dude.
Oh, redlined it.
But it
Blue
wasn't
line.
even redlining. It was $4,000.
Yikes.
Oh, she's homophobic eyes.
Yeah, heterohomia.
Former police interceptor. This one is 4-wheel drive. I mean,
Yeah.
this would be a nice switch up
No,
from
it
the...
said front wheel drive.
Yeah.
There are a lot of front-wheel drive police explorers for sale.
Oh,
This is an
this
interceptor
one.
with
Okay.
4-wheel drive. Man, I don't know, man. This is kind of a good deal.
Wait, no,
I
that's way too much money.
I need to be at least 30 years old.
4,000 OBO, no trades. Will not listen to Is This Still Available? And it's a V8.
5-liter V8.
Oh,
Unfortunately, it looks like a Buick LeSabre or something on the front there.
The red was not great on these. They had
but
they had
you
a
can
dark
always put an
blue.
Explorer front end on it. Or an
That's true.
Explorer
You
grill.
could. You could.
These aren't speaking to you, right, Vukos?
Nah.
All right, moving on. Here, just buy Zexcar back.
Hell yeah. Pajero Evo.
The Pajero Gundam.
I've never seen such money in my life.
Get out of here. Shut up, dude.
Real rally.
Yeah, he was on that rally.
Real rally shit.
Are Blazers cool? Maybe I should do a Blazer though. Like a two-door Blazer. I'm still turned on to the one from New Mexico that doesn't exist anymore.
Blazers are fine. They're just
Not that-
they're prone to
that
one's-
not
Not this
that one.
Yeah.
No, but
Yo.
they're like prone to, they're
Hey,
prone to
yo,
rust.
amigo.
An Amigo?
Ooh.
Suzone?
No,
A
that's not
Suzone,
four-wheel
baby.
drive, though.
Two-wheel drive.
Oh.
Yeah, it's two-wheel drive.
Oh, no good.
Fuck. That's still cool though.
$6,000 for only two wheels spinning?
Yeah, that's a lot of money, especially like when you're like fronting like that, you know?
Yeah.
That's fair.
Nah, get out of here, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice. Another Subaru Justy.
Oh,
Yeah,
Justy.
get that Justy.
She cute.
$1,300?
Oh, it's two-wheel drive. Nope.
It's
Sorry.
two-wheel.
Sorry.
I needed to be able to haul more than one box.
Highway ready, one owner car, only has 12,000 miles on it.
Wow.
No, get the
No way,
out of
dude.
here.
That thing,
Get
that thing
out.
rolled
Lower
away.
miles
It
than
rolled,
net
yeah.
gears? What the?
Nah, that thing rolled over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How the f- do your bolts in this fucking gauge cluster rust with 12,000
Yeah.
miles? Out of here.
12,000 ocean miles.
There's
Yeah.
no way that this is a 12,000 mile
There's
car. Look, it's got the
no
AutoZone
way.
pedals on it.
Yeah.
So
There's
dirty.
12,000 miles on those easy.
Yeah.
Nah, get out of
The
here.
12 of the hardest 1,000 miles.
Another 4-liter. This is a sport, so does that mean two-wheel drive on these?
Sport is two-door.
Oh,
Yeah, sport just means two-door.
noted. Automatic.
Still, these are cheap though. Pretty sick.
They are super cheap. 2,700
So then,
bucks.
like a nice manual shouldn't be too much more.
The 4-liter in these things will run forever.
yeah, that's a
That's
good
what I'm
engine.
all about. Like my 4Runner, which will never die ever. Pull up ABQ, dude. Just give me the Southwest. I don't want any more rust. That's really what I'm tired of is rust. Remember, I went all the way to California to buy a Celica.
Yo.
What do you think, though? What do you think,
Yo.
though? This guy's
I
got the
think this has
whole
rust.
set.
Got the whole block.
He's down in Alabama, dude. Ain't got no rust. That's just leaves and
This cloth is rusting, dude.
that's only in the morning. You know, I can't actually. Necker, what's a zip code that's not yours in
Just
Albuquerque?
put Albuquerque.
When I do
It'll
that,
go.
it says north.
Right
mother,
there.
Mother.
There.
No. I have had the same exact issue.
It always gives me North
I don't
Albuquerque
understand.
Acres instead of Albuquerque.
Yep.
Which is like close enough, but
Zuckerberg doesn't
it's-
know.
There it goes. All right, what do you like here? Restaurant manager
Oh, go
needed?
to go to new restaurant manager needed.
You already knew. What do you
well,
like?
Inflatable nightclub.
Yeah,
Only
there's a
300
there's a
bucks.
pretty sick truck. Crotch Mickey Mouse.
Crotch Mickey Mouse.
How come that mouse's nose looks like a
Well, we gotta ask him.
We're gonna find out.
Huh? Tortas.
tortoise? Route 66.
Route 66.
Huh?
Tortas.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
On Central. How come every time?
Throw me to the tortas and I'll come back full.
Dude,
How come every city has a Central Ave?
this one's not it.
Nah.
This ain't it either.
Hell no.
Hell
Nah.
no, dude.
Dude, hell
Looks
yeah.
like a cartel truck. Yeah.
This car is fact-checked by real Mexican patriots.
Custom paint, 26-inch rims on grave. Look, did you see the seats? They're like, yeah, they're there.
God damn. That's regal.
5,500 bucks.
God.
You could have money left over from the 4Runner with this one,
Bruh.
dude.
I can't imagine how much those seats are gonna fly off in a wreck.
Do you think he just
Like
took like?
100% they're held in with wood screws.
Are they just like swiveling captain's chairs from the middle of a van, like from the middle of an old conversion van?
Maybe. Yeah.
It's a lazy boy, dog.
But also,
Yeah.
yeah, crazy looking seats.
Yeah, it's out of Abuela's living room.
Oh, it's got T-tops too. I don't know if you caught that. It definitely has T-tops also.
What?
Jesus.
Pretty hard.
Jesus. Dios mío.
Cristo. Crotch Mickey Mouse, $30.
This thing's
Look at its feet, dude.
Why are the nipples way down there? Trying to talk some shit.
Discord.gg/feed.
Let's talk some shit.
Damn, look at this Estima. That's all-wheel drive.
that 4Runner got a whole house on it.
Yo, 5,000
Yo.
OBO.
In-
Great riding van.
In Sholo.
Estina M&M. Check engine light on from the EGR sensor. Uh-oh. Kilometer system, not mileage. It's a Japan import.
It's just doing Toyota things, man.
This one might burn just as much.
Look at all that room.
Pure cargo.
He said he needed room to haul boxes. There you go.
Just ratchet the baby down.
Yeah.
Nah, that's
you can
not
haul
it.
so many boxes.
I can tell that one's not it. We can move on. What about...
The 3-story tall 4Runner.
The overlanding
There's
4Runner.
a Delica.
Give me a Blazer, dude. There's got to be another Blazer in this country. ZR2.
Oh,
yeah.
yo, right there.
that one?
It's the very first one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the very first one.
He wants money for
The winch. Yo, they don't got that safety blanket over it, though.
it. Uh-oh.
We've seen this video before.
I'm gonna snap and kill that dog. All terrains, town, dog.
Dog's driving?
Dog is driving.
go
Oh
hard
my God,
in
bear is
Mexico.
driving.
The dog, hook it up.
$8,500, 122,000 miles, no rush to sell, just testing the waters. Vehicle has a ton of new parts in her in the past 2 months of owning it. I'm also open to any trades. Send me pics of what you got in mind for a trade. Send me a picture of a 4Runner.
I bet this guy bought that one. Oh no, that one's automatic. That the one it was standard, right? The other one?
Yep, yeah, it was.
Yeah.
It was such a good deal.
Oh, one that you saw earlier?
But my 4Runner was fine then. Like it's fine now, but it was still fine then too.
Rip, dude.
was
Yeah,
even more
for
fun.
sure, dude.
Yeah.
It's so fine.
88,000 miles on this 4.3 liter V6. The top has been chopped off. All right, we're done here. We're done here.
Why
at the,
would you do this?
Look at the
dude,
doors,
for
dude.
88,000 mile
Yo.
truck, man.
They probably did it, 15 years ago, which is why it's got 88,000 miles on it.
Yeah, all off road.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah,
what is up
I
with
always
these
just-
wheel wells?
It's got the diamond plate
Yeah, but-
reinforcement.
But why are they so far in?
Why do
Yes.
they
Why
come
is it so?
up?
Oh, is that where it flexes?
It could be. They could have just lifted it so you could get more flex, but that's a silly way to do it. I always thought these Blazers got rusty. I always thought these had rust problems, no matter where you got them from.
Fuck it, you get an extreme instead.
Hell yeah.
Extreme sport.
With an LS.
Slam Society, dude. This one's a 5.3 swap.
This is
6,500 OBO.
this is the type of that wins the country circuit.
Yeah.
Oh, and it has somebody's favorite transmission, the 4L60E. Someone in YouTube or Discord was just talking about that. I've had 8 trucks with the 4L60E, and I've changed 7 transmissions.
You put it back together with Velcro? Is that how you did it? Like,
It's a project. This is not what our guy's after here. What about how about 4x4 SUV?
Scroll down a little bit. There's
Oh.
more cars.
Okay.
all right.
What do
You ever
like
used
here?
Facebook before?